Hello, everyone. I am Deepa Nishchal. I'm a certified life coach, emotional and wellness coach, and a spiritual healer. Today, I'll talk about a very important topic, the law of attraction. What is law of attraction? How it works and how by using law of attraction we can manifest all our desires and dreams. Law of attraction is the ability to attract into our lives whatever we are focusing on. It is the law of attraction which uses the power of the mind to translate whatever it is there into our thoughts and materialize into reality. So, to make the law of attraction work, foremost thing is to be thankful and grateful for all the blessings in your life. We can't have abundance in our lives if we are not thankful for whatever we have. So, what you have to do, you have to write down 5 to 10 things daily, whatever you are thankful for. This should be done for your entire lifetime, morning, evening, whatever suits you, but ideally daily. The second step that you need to take is to ask for it. Once you have decided what you want, you must write it down and ask for it. And do try to include all the emotional words like happy, joyful, satisfied, thrilled, grateful, and something similar. These words are very powerful because they bring out your emotions and make your asking process more stronger, more realistic. More importantly, you must be willing to ask for it daily. Make sure you refer to whatever you want every single day. The key is that you want to consciously turn whatever your desires, whatever you want into your subconscious mind. You want to consciously program your goals, your dreams, your wishes into your subconscious mind so that you can tap into the power of universe to manifest them. Also focus on creating a positive environment. Clean and tidy your house, add splashes of bright light, bright color so that it upbeats your mood. Air out your rooms by opening the windows. Maybe you can try to bring some gorgeous flowers to beautify your living space. It's finally time to ditch all those things, whatever reminds you of your past failures, of your big breakup, of your old hurts and experiences, whatever brought you down. The next step is to believe. At this step, you intentionally visualize how you would like things to be. Afterwards, you allow yourself to feel the feeling of that belief is being fulfilled. You want to have unwavering faith that your desires are coming true. As you visualize, you have a strong knowing that it is already on the way. Due to the buffer of time, sometimes things don't happen instantly. That's okay. Stay positive. Sometimes impatience or doubt can creep in during this stage and it can completely reverse the entire process. But remember, living in faith and positive emotion will continue to allow what you desire to flow to you finally. Allow each day to be filled with hope, belief, strength, and passion for what is to come. Release all your doubts, worries, and fear. Keep your actions aligned with your intentions, and your desires will naturally attract. Negative emotion does not serve you. It is an illusion to hold you back. The effectiveness of your belief system is built on the foundation of trust. What you feel is true, and it can only be true once you trust that belief. Remember, you are what you do, not what you say that you will do. Most people, what they do is they simply say and talk about their goals, but they do not take any actions because somewhere at the bottom of their heart, they believe that it can't be achieved. They can't do, they can't have whatever their desires and goals. Being able to visualize something in the exact detail can do wonders in manifestation of our desires. If we truly want something to happen in our lives, first think of it in the mind. For example, let's assume you want a new car. You picture the car in your mind. You picture yourself driving that car through the streets. You see it. You feel the emotion of driving the car and get excited about owning it. It's the same for all your desires. You first have to picture in your mind before it can come to you. Next step is to create a vision board. These boards can contain the images, they can contain the words that resonate with whatever your desires, your wishes, or whatever you want to attract in your life. There are some ways to create the vision boards. Try to find the images of whatever your desire, your wishes. It helps you to clarify what you really want. Visualize it and put energy towards making it real. The images serve as a great reminder of all your desires. Each day, you can look at your vision board and remind yourself of what you are going to attract. You don't have to visualize just because you are doing it for the sake of it. The universe will only and only manifest them to your life once you do that with the full belief and intent. It is sometimes difficult to imagine things that you're not having, you are yet to own, especially in the beginning. But this is what you that needs to be done, and this is why you need to practice it often, almost on a daily basis. The best time to practice visualization is in the morning once you wake up and before you sleep. Always remember, repetition is the mother of all the skills. So just don't only visualize and forget about it. Do it daily. You can become good at visualization if you practice it enough. And when you are good at visualizing the things you want, feeling the things, feeling the feel of attracting all your wishes and desires coming true, the chances are the law of attraction will work for you with higher intensity. Commit to the visualization. Schedule a time, choose a quiet place, sit down, close your eyes, and imagine that you have already achieved all the goals you desire. You have to understand that emotion plays a very, very important part in manifesting what you want and in the activation of law of attraction. So if you are visualizing just for the sake of it, it will never work. Don't do it just for the heck of it. Include all your emotions and feelings into it. The same works for law of attraction. The universe is listening to whatever you are saying at that time. So if you are not persuasive, if you are not passionate, and if you are not putting in any feelings and emotions into whatever you desire, do you think the universe will manifest all those desires for you? At a deeper level, all the thoughts are vibrations, and all the emotions and feelings you can send your thoughts to the universe through a more powerful channel. Try to imagine vividly that when you walk to your fridge, open the door, and you see a large lemon there. You reach out to lemon and feel it in your hand. Feel the texture. Imagine the vivid that you take the lemon to your kitchen and use a knife to cut into half. See the juices oozing out and take one piece of lemon. Squeeze the juice into your mouth. How do you feel? Do you feel that you have more saliva in your mouth right now? Well, if you imagine it vividly with all the details and including all your senses, your mouth will definitely have more saliva. The reason? Because your mind will think that your imagination is real and react to it. That is why you must include feelings and emotions into all your visualizations and affirmations. Also, the final step you need to take is to receive. After going through all the steps, you must be ready to receive what you asked for. And sometimes, in order to receive, you must let go. You can never start a new relationship if you still hold on to the old. If you want to buy a new car, sell off your old car. If you want to buy new clothes, get rid of your old clothes and make space for the new. You can only start a new life once you clear off the old and make space for the new. Most people still hold on to their old beliefs, habits, mindsets, behaviors, and they wonder why the universe is not bringing them whatever they asked for. Imagine that you are a sponge and everything around you and happening to you is water. If a sponge is filled, can it take more water? If you are full, you can't take any more new things. What you need to do is to squeeze out the sponge, to let go, release the water. And when you are empty again, then you allow yourself to take in, to receive all the things which are coming into your life. So be prepared and get ready to receive whatever the universe has in store for you. And the final step of receiving, the most important way to receive is through giving. Learn to give so that you can receive in your life. If you want to thrive in your business, learn to create more value to your clients. If you want other people to treat you with care, be the first one to care for them. If you want to be successful, solve other people's problems. You can start with any simple act of kindness. Maybe smile and greet strangers, hold the door for someone, buy food for any needy person. Create value to receive more in life. Now it's the time to live the reality of the desires. You have imagined what you want, cleared away all your doubts and fears, and now it's time to live out that imagination. Rather than just visualizing the reality in your mind, live it as much as possible. This may feel a bit silly or strange, but it is very, very helpful. The step is to take action and act as if something has already happened, what you are looking for. The entire concept about behind the law of attraction is like attracts like. When you take action as if you have already got that, as if you have already got all your desires, wishes manifested, you are sending a huge, loud, clear message to the universe that you are really serious. Actions speak louder than words, right? Also, it is important because it allows you to feel the gratification of what it is like when you have attracted your desires. It solidifies your beliefs and reinforces the visualization. So, just get into the final step with complete joy and enthusiasm. There is no formula for how long things can take to manifest into your life. We each have our own individual hurdles to overcome, and it will take time to see the results of all that we practice. Some people begin to see the results instantly, while for some others it may take some time. But the key is patience and persistence. Continue to express gratitude and appreciation every day. Think positively and recall all the connections that you made that prove that law of attraction is real. Take time every day to review the visualization exercises and prepare your mind and body to receive this incredible gift. Thank you.